in the middle
guarantee
of the
you
road,
move
go
one.
replace it first. Then.
Tighten it more, tighten it more. Seriously, tighten it more.
Yeah, it needs to be
It is tight because just now mine was, I was like,
as tight as you can.
yeah,
stand.
I was like, go ahead.
As tight as you can stand it is best, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tighter, better.
Tighter better, yeah?
Because you will definitely move like that one.
Yeah.
I went like, oh, okay.
If you brace the car properly,
Yeah.
you have a special seat.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
you don't move.
Yeah, I was like,
It's quite hard. Yeah. You like the corner.
reminds me of sitting in the go-kart, the seats that are meant for large people.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, sliding around. Kind of pulling around like that one. So you just go to replace the cone and come back, eh? Okay? Just